Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics garage for a new Rxyal Crew lovely car meet, and it's a glorious weather. You can see we've got the booze behind, we've got the music going, we've got the sunshine. It's mega early and it's already pretty filled. So let's check out the car, capture the ambience and have fun. Alright, so let's check out all the car here, guys.
Hello guys, so it's Felc, and today I'll be taking over and hijacking
My car. I decided to park here because there is a lovely Micra there. You know I love my Micras. Look at this wagon, absolutely gorgeous. Lovely Vectra here, you know buddy? Lovely Honda. That's the Skoda Vision interior to the M4. S666 mate, you alright bud? Lovely white S3. Lovely wheels on that, unsquatted. S3 V2, as we well know. Gorgeous i6. Our friend keeps that with this lovely A4. Speed flame. Hopefully we can scump him into doing some later. The music box. The lovely stand and the lovely Rxyal Crew people. Hey buddy, let's check the progress on this. How many months now? 5 months.
5, nearly 6. I need
Nearly
your help.
6
Come and
months.
help me, man. Come and help me.
I might do actually. Why not? Yeah, a lot of effort is going into it. Looks mental at the minute. When it's finished though, ooh. Sometimes it takes hard work to build something unique, you know? Go away you, don't push me again.
Put the camera.
Lovely BMW, eh? Adam's new car that we saw at Slammed as well, last one. Lovely. Mate of ours, lovely MK6. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Lovely F4 over there. Ooh, very interesting Volkswagen there. Polo, anybody? Next to this, Lexus. Ford Mondeo. Lovely. Ooh, 833 doors. Very nice. Hey bud, you alright?
Yeah, you man?
Yeah man. Hey bud, you alright?
How do you, man?
Yeah, good to see you here man. Lovely Saab coming in. Oh. While we are here, let's not miss out this Mustang guys. I mean look at that. That is absolutely stunning. That paint job is in the sun like that. Oh. Look at that interior as well. Absolutely stunning. I slow down for pussy, good. We don't want to run them over, do we? little polo. I think the accent have changed actually. Next to its little Alfa. There I want BMW. Lovely Punto. Mini. Lovely Polo. Ah, doesn't have plenty of Volkswagen stuff out. Lovely Volvo as well. Peugeot 206. Little Ford. Lovely Marteau. Lovely sitting there. Ooh, Citroën Picasso. Fun fact about those Picasso, they kept manufacturing them purely for England, even though they were discontinued everywhere else in the world, because you guys love them. Lovely Cupra. Lovely RS.
Not a bad car.
Absolutely mint Corrado. Body is absolutely perfect. The wheels are absolutely stunning. And the interior is just as mint as the exterior. Really gorgeous example. Lovely Suzuki, still don't know what they are. Little A45, little Seat Cupra, and another mark too. And I'm sure a lot more will come. Oh guys, look at that! While we were doing the tour, another Micra decided to park next to me. Perfect, look at that. One Micra on each side. Just sorry we can't bring one yet. At some point we will. Oh, if you're watching this, we'll get a new car soon, a new family car. Shitbox, but you know, who cares? We do it rat-wise, probably.
Here's the Beardchanics fraud.
What's going on? Eh? Oh, jeez. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Check out the description to go check his music. See you next one, buddy. Here we go, guys. As you can see, cars are starting to leave, unfortunately, but it was a really good event. Some cars still here, we're still going to capture some leaving, and we should see them very soon again, because Rxyal Crew will be with a double clutch on the 12th of June at the Colchester Stadium, so be there or be square. Anyway, guys, see you in the next one. Bye. Go, Micah, go. Oh, pop, 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 pop.